In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for GitHub. First, open your web browser and go to github.com. On the home page, click the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. Create a secure password, click Continue again, and then choose a unique username. If your preferred username is already taken, simply try another one until you find one that's available. Now, complete the verification step by following the instructions on the screen. Once that's done, click Create Account. GitHub will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Open your inbox, find the email from GitHub, copy the code, and enter it on the website to verify your account. After that, GitHub may ask a few optional questions about how you plan to use the platform. You can answer them or skip them. You'll also have the option to choose a plan. If you're just getting started, the free plan is a great choice. Finally, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. From there, you can create repositories, upload your projects, and begin collaborating with other developers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to sign up for GitHub. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.